Oh my God, they're all going on.
We're in them, baby. Oh my God.
Oh, they're jumping like crazy.
Hold on, it's going there the motor. Look at it. Golly, look at it. Alright guys, if y'all watched the video today, we gave it a good old try. We come out here to Lake Townsend after the big old Hurricane Debbie came through, and we didn't have much high hopes for this place. The water is really high. It's 4 foot probably. It's done rose in the lake, and a lot of debris and trash down here in the bottom, but we gave it a try. Dudes, we had a good day. We caught all kinds of fish. We caught big perch, big crappie, we caught big bass, we caught big catfish, and we actually caught our first brim ever in this lake. So y'all stick around, y'all watch this video, and I hope you enjoy it. Hit that thumbs up and share it to a family member or friend. We appreciate each and every one of you watching the videos. So enjoy it, guys. Guys, y'all can see we have switched over from Berkeley Big Game over to this new line to us called Vicious High Vis Yellow, and you can really see the line standing out. I don't know how good the camera's showing it against the trees, but it helps us be able to see the lines and see how bad they get tangled up. I like that green line. I can really see that, don't you?
Yeah, I like it. It looks like dental floss, but I like it.
Who thinks it's dental floss while you're fishing?
Because it looks like dental floss. I didn't grab that other one.
Oh, that's a big brim.
You think that's big?
Huh? What?
You think that's big?
Well, you know what I mean. I mean, we don't catch brims in this lake. Right? Alright, that was a brim, y'all. Check him out. First brim we ever caught on this lake right here with a crankbait. But hey, it was fun while it lasted. Look at that monster. Caught him on the old Sun Perch Bandit 200.
This lake's down for babies. He's long though.
Little bitty largemouth. Into that bass fisherman that way he can catch. Oh, he weren't getting off. He's in the tooth patch.
Oh, shoot.
There he is, fellas. Look at that monster. Got something, baby?
Yeah. I can't wait to lose the next fish that I catch. Oh, there's one on that one too.
I think he's in the line. Keep him coming. He's fishing on that one.
I know it's tight.
Keep it coming. Get down right there.
Okay. Is he a keeper?
Yeah, but you don't need to kick. Keep on coming.
Keep on coming.
This one right here is
Net boy.
hold on. He's hung in the net and everything else.
Yeah, he's at the boat. No, it's not. I got him in the back.
Alright, believe it or not, we caught that, guys, on the Delta Custom Cranks. I'll post a link down in the bottom where you can get with Fred Pittman. It's right here, it's chartreuse shad. Just caught that white. We just caught that white perch, guys, off at Delta Custom Cranks and Sun Perch. Lisa, get the net. Uh-oh, big crappie. Oh my gosh, all these rods is hitting. Look at that, people. Another big crappie. Caught him on the Bandit 300. I think there's 2 more on these over here because they was hitting. Nice, nice. Can you open it, baby? Thank you. Thank you, baby. Yeah, I got fish. You got fish?
I don't know.
You don't feel it kicking? Yes.
Oh, shoot.
Yes, get them, baby.
Well, I can't.
Grab it and set the hook. You ain't got to quit. Set the hook on all of them. We're going over them. Look at that. Oh, man.
Oh, crap.
Get them.
Oh, my God, they're all going on.
We're in them, baby. Oh, my gosh. We're in them. I just going to have a mess here.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, this is pretty good size. Got this brake squirrel I had tight there.
I don't know what the one with the actual fish on.
I got it. Let's see, what's he in? He's all in a line.
Oh, this one's kicking.
White perch, y'all, on a chartreuse shad. A little bit smaller. We're gonna let him go. Man. White perch. Hold on, you all in the lines, baby. Just let him kick there. Put him up. One catastrophe at a time. He's in there. He's in there. He's in there.
Ouch.
He's in there.
Ouch.
Look out.
Oh, ouch.
Ooh. Let me get him off real quick. Get it. That shit hurt, man. They buried. Where's the pliers?
Oh, you got it good.
Yeah, he went deep.
Oh, look, you landed in the net. You okay?
It's pretty thick. I might hold on to him for a little bit.
No, it's still.
Okay, just hold on. Be patient. Okay. Delta Custom Cranks, y'all. It was a mess. We still got a mess. 30 minutes not fishing, trying to get lines back out. Untangled, retied. You what, baby? Alright, we dropped it down to 6 rods, y'all. 4 on each side was just getting tangled up too much whenever chaos started kicking in, but that's alright. They're biting today, y'all. That Hurricane Debbie, whatever she was, tropical storm, she done brought the bite on.
And a thunderstorm last night.
And we had a big thunderstorm last night after she done went through. But anyway, we're gonna keep on putting them in the box.
Oh, he's nice size.
It's good size, baby. Don't lose him. Hold on, get the net.
Okay. Yeah, he jumped right out of the water.
I'm gonna jump again. A little closer. Pass.
Oh, that's nice. I call it big mouth.
Hey, we don't do that.
I think it's a big mouth.
Big mouth.
He's nice. That's the one of the day. I like to see him jump out of the water.
See ya?
He's nice. Are you keeping him?
Yeah. You want to hold him for a finger?
Yeah, I can. Let me see if I can get this other fish in.
Huh?
I'm in a roll.
What's that in the water right there?
That's your lure.
You talking about from a while ago or right now?
I don't know. He's
I ain't
all.
gonna hold this all day.
Does he have teeth?
Here, put your finger in there. Just grab him. Just stick the finger in and grab him.
He's biting me. No, I got it. I got it. I got it.
Shh.
Come on, hurry up.
Hold him out. Look. Alright.
He's got teeth.
We ain't got to.
Yeah, he does. Look.
Get that rod in.
Do you see the little teeth marks?
Get that rod in, babe.
You said he doesn't have teeth. Look. It bit me. Look. Well, something bit me. Or something cut my thumb.
Probably not. Yeah, this one got some shoulders on it. Look at it.
I don't see him.
It's a big fish. Look at it.
Oh!
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
It's a big fish. Look at it.
Oh!
I don't know, baby. Make sure all those recording, man. Did you see that? Man.
That was a nice one.
I told you it was a big fish. Look, he just swimming sideways. Hand the net over here, baby. Slow it down. Look at him out there. He's a monster.
No, I wouldn't say that.
Yes, he is too.
He's about the same size I caught.
No, way bigger than yours, baby. Look at this. It's a nice bass, guys. I don't know how big it is. But coming out of the water, it looked like it was 8 pounds. We got the drag backed off. We're only fishing 8 pounds. We're not going horsing. Huh?
That rod's bent pretty good.
I know it. Look at it.
Oh, he just jumped right in front of them.
They're making fun of us, man. I don't know if that net's big enough.
Come on now.
Huh? Really? I don't know if that net's big enough, man.
Oh, you're just picking now.
I don't know.
I don't see him.
He's close. Come over close.
Oh, yeah.
He's close. Oh, he's going right.
Boy, they're jumping like crazy.
Hold on, he's going right the motor. Going right the boat, man. Look at it. Look at him. Golly, look at him. Don't break off. Oh, gosh. Oh, get away from that motor. Oh, man. Get away from that motor.
Here.
Look, he's way back here. I had to go around.
Uh-oh.
Man, look at him. Look how big he is. Look at him, baby. See him?
Wow.
He ain't no little puppy.
I don't see him. Oh,
see him?
There. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh. Come here, big boy.
I got too many rods in the way.
Well,
there's too many rods in the way over here. Just keep filming. This rod right here really needs to be out the way over yonder.
okay.
That really needs to be over yonder. Don't jump. Don't jump. Come on. Don't jump. Don't jump. See him? Oh. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look. Oh my.
That. Look at that, guys.
He got himself caught again. Ooh.
Look at that.
Dang.
Look at that, guys. Hold on, get over the side. You get on that side. You ready? How's that look, guys? Look at that. Big one. Big one. I'm gonna let him go. He's too big.
See how much he weighs first.
All right, here we go. 7 pound, 18 ounces, right?
720.
728. 728.
7 pound bass.
Did you get the number? 728. Look at that. One more time, baby. We're gonna let him go.
Okay, bye-bye.
Beautiful. Come on over here. We got a big fish right there. Look at that rod.
Oh, I'm getting that one.
Hold on.
Bye-bye.
He's wanting to go, but I ain't gonna let him go right yet.
Why?
Because I fought him for a while because that 8 pound test. There he goes, look. There he goes.
Oh, bye-bye.
There he goes, look.
Here. I'm gonna get this one.
Look at him, he's still on top of the water. His bladder ain't let out.
There he goes.
There he goes. Hold on. See what kind of mess we got. Like that? Yeah. Does he feel big?
Yeah, it feels big, but that doesn't mean anything.
Well, the rod was jumping like it was big. You know?
Yeah.
I'm more out dragging that beast in. Huh? Yeah, we let him go, guys. He's gonna live another day, gain another pound. Okay. Hold on, stand close to the boat so we can see him, baby. Cause you ain't lifting him up. When he goes, don't reel, okay? Just work him. We ain't no
Maybe
big.
it's catfish.
I don't know. Oh, it's a nice fish. Whoa. It's a big catfish.
Oh no!
It's a big catfish.
Thank you.
Just take your time.
Oh gosh.
Take your time, baby.
My favorite fish.
Oh. There he is.
He's a fighter boy. Look at him. Oh, he's my favorite kind of fish.
Is he?
Oh my gosh.
Why?
They just taste good and they're fun to fish.
Guys, I don't know about y'all, but that new net, are you tired?
No,
Why you been over like that?
my back.
I'm gonna tell you right now, guys, that new net,
And these new lures.
I broke that net in today. There's one hook out, baby.
I don't like those hooks.